It is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that allows online entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and people who is interested in building an online business access to all the tools and apps under one roof for their success. The platform includes drag-and-drop website/funnel builder, sales and affiliate platform, e-commerce platform, mail service platform, membership platform, video hosting platform, webinar platform, automated and live webinars, blog, help desk, calendar, survey and more. This platform includes a powerful, easy-to-use visual page, website and funnel building platform that lets you create fully functional web pages, high-converting funnels, and sophisticated landing pages without having to write any code. It also uses drag-and-drop technology, which is perfect for all beginners and experts. One of the best features of this funnel builder is that around 80% of the code is loaded on the browser. Compared to other page-building platforms using old bootstrap technologies like Clickfunnels that cost $99 per month, the platform uses a progressive JavaScript framework called VUE.JS. That gives better speed and more functionality to the user. This platform includes a powerful sales and affiliate platform for digital marketers and infopreneurs to sell their products. It is a shopping cart platform like Pay Kickstart or Samcart, which allows you to sell digital products, digital services, and e-courses. It also features an affiliate management platform and everything else you will possibly need to run your online business. This is the one and only platform that allows sellers to promote and sell their products without getting any commissions and monthly payments. It helps you take payments and manage customers for physical products and digital products and services. It also has an affiliate system that allows you to manage affiliates to promote your products and get paid. This easy-to-use software creates checkout pages that are designed to convert more visitors into buyers, more clicks into sales, and manage the process from beginning to end. The platform allows you to do the usual upsells and downsells in your product funnel, and also the software adds order bumps before the purchase and true one-click upsells to your funnels. This allows you to make point-of-purchase impulse sales of related items, increasing your dollar per transaction of just pure profit. The platform includes merchant account warming and load balancing built into the system for bigger businesses doing high volume, so you can avoid getting your credit card or PayPal account shut down during major promotions. Why this platform gives free access? This is the complete digital marketing platform that includes all the tools and apps in one place. No other platforms having all the tools in one place, and you have to give monthly payments separately for those different platforms that may cost hundreds of dollars. This platform allows you lifetime access to all the tools and apps with a one-time upgrade. After joining as a free member, you can see the potential of this platform, that you can save monthly payments you spend for services of other different platforms to running your business with a one-time payment. Then, you may upgrade as a pro member. What are the tools and apps I can use in this platform as a free member? You will get free access to drag-and-drop website/funnel builder. As a free member, you can create 3 websites/funnel and you will get free hosting also. A decent web hosting service, you need to pay $20 per month. That's $240 per year. The platform includes free web hosting for you. You will also get free access to the sales and affiliate platform. It is a powerful sales and affiliate platform for digital marketers and infopreneurs to sell their products. It allows you to sell unlimited digital products, digital services, and e-courses without giving any monthly payments or commissions. As a fresher in online business, how you can use this platform? You will get all the training inside the members area to build a successful online business. The platform also allows you to promote this product. As an affiliate, you only needed to promote the free plan. When someone reaches the website via your link, all other promotions will do by this platform and you will get a commission for just refer a person to their website. When you create your free account in this platform, you automatically sign up for the affiliate program, and the affiliate links and promotional tools are ready for you to make a huge profit. The software locks every customer that you refer to them like a parent-child relationship that is hard-coded with an affiliate tag to you. When a person signs up through your link, the system will lock that person to you, and you are guaranteed to get an affiliate commission when they upgrade. The tag is hard-coded into the system. There is no issue with when a customer upgrades after 1 month or 1 year after you referred to the platform, and also it does not affect if the customer comes from any other blog. The affiliate will own this lead for life because of the affiliate tag is hard-coded with the system. How you can earn thousands of dollars from promoting this platform. If somebody that you refer also refers to some other customers to the system, it automatically tags them to you. This two-tier relationship is automatically created and locked in for life. The potential of this partnership program is huge. Just imagine if you refer a person and that person starts promoting it and got more sales, then you also could earn hundreds or thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions with that single referral. Every account in this platform has pre-made Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn posts, pre-made high-converting email swipes, banners, thank you page ads, log-out page ads, pre-made articles, blog reviews, press releases and the video reviews that you can copy and post it on Facebook, and the software will automatically load the video with your affiliate link right underneath. And the platform creates email signatures for you. After you become an affiliate on this platform, you can simply open your Gmail or Outlook and change your email signature to this platform provides for you. As a free member, you make 20% Tier 1 residual commission and 5% Tier 2 commission from your downline. To get full benefit of this affiliate program, you may choose to upgrade as a Pro member. Pro members have access to all the tools and apps included in this platform. As a Pro member you make 40% residual commission for a successful sale. You will also get 10% Tier 2 commission from your downline.